Most of us don't pause because we're rested. We pause because we're forced to, because the body gives out, because the mind shuts down, because something finally says, enough. This meditation today is about something different. It's about choosing to pause before your body has to demand it. Welcome, everyone, to today's meditation. I'm Marybeth Hrim. I'm a mental health therapist. I'm a coach and a runner. And I created these meditations to help you build safety in slowing down, especially if rest has ever felt uncomfortable, unproductive, or undeserved. This is day 2 of week 8 of the Living Unmasked series, and today we're practicing permission to pause, not as collapse, but as a regulated, conscious choice. And if these practices support you, if they help you soften, breathe, or feel safer in your body, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll find meditations there designed to support nervous system regulation, restoration, and living unmasked at a sustainable pace. Now let's begin and settle in. Find a position that feels comfortable and supported. You don't need to lie down unless your body asks for it. You don't need to sit perfectly. Let comfort be the guide. If it feels safe, gently close your eyes or just soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in through the nose and release it through the mouth. Let that breath signal nothing needs to happen right now. Before we pause, we ground. Notice the room around you, the light, the sounds, the surface supporting your body. Let your nervous system register. I am here. I am safe enough. I am not falling behind. Pause here for a breath. We'll begin with a breath that gently interrupts urgency. Inhale through the nose for 3, 2, 1. Exhale through the mouth for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No holding, no forcing. Just letting the exhale be longer than the inhale. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each longer exhale tells the body we are not being chased. Now gently notice where urgency lives in the body. Often it shows up as tightness in the chest, a forward pull in the shoulders, shallow breathing, a sense of needing to get somewhere. You're not trying to change it yet. Just noticing. Urgency is not a flaw. It's a learned response. Imagine your day as a moving stream. You are not stepping out of it. You're simply standing still within it. The water moves around you. Life continues, and you remain present, not swept away. This is what a pause can be. Now silently offer your body this message. I am allowed to pause without explanation. I am allowed to rest without earning it. Nothing bad happens when I slow down. Say it slowly. Let your body test the truth of it. Notice what shifts, even subtly. Now try this gentle rhythm. Inhale through the nose. Pause softly at the top, just for a moment. Exhale through the mouth. That tiny pause is important. It teaches the body that stopping briefly does not equal danger. Let's repeat that a few times. Inhale. And pause for a second. And exhale. But do that on your own. A couple more times. Notice what it feels like to pause on purpose. Not because you're overwhelmed, not because you earned it, but because you chose it. There may be relief, there may be discomfort, there may be both. Let it all belong. Now gently ask yourself, what happens when I pause on purpose? You don't need words. Let the answer come through sensation, breath, or stillness. As this meditation begins to close, bring your awareness back to your breath, to the steadiness beneath you. This kind of pause is something you can return to between tasks, before responding in moments of pressure. You don't need to wait until you're exhausted. When you're ready, begin to reorient. Wiggle your fingers or toes. Open your eyes. And carry this with you. Pausing does not mean quitting. Slowing down does not mean falling behind. Your body knows how to stay present without rushing. If you like more practices that support rest, regulation, and this sustainable living, I invite you to please hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. I share these meditations here designed to help you slow down without fear and live unmasked with more ease. Thank you so much for choosing to pause today. Until next time, I'm Marybeth Hrim.